Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit, making sense of making money online. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, YouTuber. Hey, welcome. Hey, I got another short video today for you. I wanted to bring this to you. I don't know if you know or heard about it, but it's about the Chime Credit Builder Credit Card, Chime Credit Builder Card. So I wanted to bring this to you, but hey, before I hop in, look, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Feel free to make a comment if you like, and most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. You know, you guys always try to bring you something that you can use. Hopefully, you can use this or maybe share with someone, a loved one or a friend. But look, if you're not aware of what Chime is, and I'm just going to start there, some people aren't, but Chime is kind of goes along with these, what they call fintech banks, you know, which is financial technology, like, you know, Cabbage, like, you know, these different lending banks that you see there. I mean, it's hundreds and thousands of them across the globe, and they mostly do all their banking online. And Chime is one of what they call a neobank. So if you don't know what a neobank is, basically it's also known as a online bank, internet-only bank, digital bank. Is a type of direct bank that operates exclusively online without traditional physical branches or networks, branch networks. Matter of fact, I don't know if you guys saw my video, but this is the North One card that I I'm also an affiliate of, but it's kind of a fintech neobank, pretty much all online. Radius Bank, I want to say out of Boston, out of Massachusetts, and I've had it. Took 5 minutes to get it, you know. So yeah, so fintech and these neobanks are huge. A lot of banks out there, but this is about Chime. So look, uh, Chime is, if you don't know, Chime is one of the accounts that banks they don't use check systems. Kind of like a second chance bank. A lot of people have used, you know, because sometimes I do freelance work for dealerships, and I tell you, almost every customer that walks into a lot of those stores, and it's kind of a smaller store, people have Chime accounts because maybe they had a bad experience. The account was closed, so a lot of them are using Chime as a bank right now. But they do not require minimum open deposits. Neither did my North One card or minimum daily balance. Chime is a mobile banking app and a debit card. Applying takes less than 2 minutes. No credit check, no check systems. Uh, Chime checking account also charges no fees. Once again, Chime has launched a new Visa credit card dubbed the Chime Credit Builder Card, designed to help customers build a credit history. The card allows users to control how much they spend by transferring funds from a spending account to a credit builder secured account, after which they can charge up to that amount. At the end of each month, Chime's Safe Credit Builder feature automatically pays off the credit card balance and the secured account on time, and then reports the payments to the major credit bureaus like Transunion, Experian, and Equifax. The Credit Builder Card doesn't carry any fees, charge interest, or requires a minimum security deposit. So that's pretty awesome, man. It's a great idea. And I think you'll probably see more of these coming in the future. Results from the Credit Builder Card year-long beta testing phase suggest that the card effectively raise users' credit and could be a potent customer acquisition tool. The neobank started testing Credit Builder in June of 2019, and the service grew to reach more than 200,000 enrollees prior to its full launch. Chime claims that during the test period, users increased their credit scores by an average of 30 points, citing data from TransUnion. It adds that the offering helped 95% of members with no credit history establish a credit score for the first time. These results can act as strong marketing material to draw prospective customers once Chime has rolled out the offering to more customers. it has currently opened up the wait list for the Credit Builder Card and will be rolling out the service to more members every week during the summer. The new offering could prove especially useful in Chime's value proposition among younger consumers, those with lower credit scores and the underbanked. The Credit Builder Card can be positioned as convenient and a secure way for each of these demographics to address their credit issues by either helping them establish a credit score for the first time or improve an unperforming score. And helping young groups could generate a great deal of customer loyalty. Young customers could make Credit Builder their first credit card and stick with Chime going forward. Similarly, Chime could become the main banking service provider for underbanked consumers looking to establish a credit history and get access to banking services. And the consumers trying to rehabilitate their credit scores would be likely to remain Chime customers for as long as it takes to get their scores to where they want them. Look, I mean, this is a great program, especially. I mean, I love the fact that you don't need a minimum balance like my North One card. It doesn't. I open it up. They sent me a card, and then I have a penny in there, a dime in there. That's pretty cool. And so this whole Chime Credit Builder Card, but you definitely need a Chime account first before you get that. So I would say this is a good tool. I definitely co-sign it. I'm not a sponsor. I mean, I'm not an affiliate, but maybe I should be. But anyway, you guys know I'm just kidding. But look, here's what I always say about checking accounts is, look, don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you have one account, you should have 2 or 3 accounts. I have 4. And because look, if something bad happens and your account gets closed, guess what? Typically most banks are going to be 2 years to open a new one, right? The nice thing about Chime, they don't do check systems. So you could certainly possibly get a Chime account even though you have a closed account. And look, and some of you folks that are ghosts or credit invisible or whatever the case may be, you know what I'm talking about, are just using cash. Chime is a good idea to open, an account. And then also with this, if you don't have any credit or you want to build credit, this is another tool along some of the other apparatuses out there and some of the, my previous videos that you've seen about how to build credit. And then, of course, this is it's a primary account, right? Instead of like an authorized user. So I think it's a great tool. I definitely co-sign it for anyone that may be, especially for the underbanked. But look, have more than one account. So let me just drop this. Look, even if we're in the middle of a pandemic, you may be in trouble with your bank. Before that bank goes bad and it hits your check system, number one, maybe open up another account before that account goes down, and put a few dollars in that checking account. And if that one does close, and then also maybe you want to get a Chime account, especially if your credit scores have taken a hit right now. So look, but I'm gonna do another video on fintech. I've been promising you guys that video is coming soon. But look, this is a quick video. Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. Be safe, stay 6 feet back, and until the next video, peace, y'all.